Hello, and welcome to the next segment of the first Fan Mail Friday of 2018. And we have a few more packages left to go. And remember, I opened this one. This is from Michael. Let's find out what it is. Okay. There's a note. That's good. Oh, US $5 bill. I know where that's going. Oh, it's a spool holder. That's great. Howdy, Joel, the 3D printing nerd. I'm also a nerd with a 3D printer, a forum-bought TRex to be precise. One thing I didn't like about the TRex is the holder for the spools of filament. It seems every spool I've gotten is a different width, and adjusting the width every time I want to use a different filament is a pain. It's true, and I'll talk about that in my review. To fix this, I made some frame clips with the printer and used that with some PVC pipe to create an alternate spool holder, which I think has been working better. I've included the frame clips and some PVC fittings so that you could use the spool holders if you like. The 3D files for the frame clip have been uploaded to Thingiverse, and they are at thingiverse.com, thing:2730413. If you think you or others would be interested, please find included a high five for Seattle Children's Hospital box. A high five to you as well for the inspiration you provide. Take care and keep printing cool new stuff. Your fans, Michael and Jan. Cool. So the idea is this fits into the extrusion on the machine, and then this goes in between, just like that. Just like that. It's a brilliant, brilliant design because the TRex spool holders, you tighten with hex wrenches and it's hard to get them where you want them and you have to adjust them for different spools. So this is fantastic. Thank you. Also, we should take care of business. Next, how about this right here? This is from a Skewed View. Okay, I know these guys, or at least I know of these guys. I've seen them online and around, and they're awesome. So let's see what they sent over. Did I miss? Oh, I did miss something. Oh, I missed important things. Stay. A Skewed View. Sholm Jarbo. Okay. Little business card, a 3D printed business card, and a wad of cash. Wow, 1, 2, let's see. There's $12 there. My goodness. Oh, here's a note. Let's read the note. Hello, Joel. We've been watching your channel for almost a year now. Thank you for all the great content and 3D printing tips. Here's $10 for children's charity and $2 for a sticker if you have one. Sorry, I didn't have any envelopes and stamps, so if it's a big deal, no worries. You can add to Kids Fund. The high five on back is my 16-year-old hand he traced. Enclosed is our maker coin and card for you. If you get a chance, please check out our YouTube page. We get several videos up, all short and sweet, like a minute or two. Wow, okay. Oh no, sorry, so sloppy. I blew my arm out at work a decade ago and had several surgeries. I had to be retired, and still writing is one of the worst effects for me. Have a great day and hope you and family have a very wonderful 2018. God bless. A Skewed View 3D. Sholm Jarbo II and Jason Jarbo. And there's the high five. Right there on the back. That's fantastic. Well, I'm pretty sure I could get you a sticker, but let's find out what's in here. Ooh, look at that. It is a painted maker coin. Look at that, a Skewed View. That's fantastic. That is a cool maker coin. That is a cool maker coin. Did I throw? Oh, the rest of it's right here. Found the envelope, and I put it all back together, so I have your address, which means I can send you a sticker. But first things first. This is for you. You get a sticker. How about this box? How about this box right here? This is from Christian in Austria. All right, let's get out the knife. Okay, looks like I open it right at the top here. Oh, all right. There's an envelope. What the heck is this? What? Wait. What is this? Okay, there's an envelope with an address. This has an SD card holder, and it says HIGHFIVE, and it's got my name, and it's got these buttons on it, and it's got an SD card, and these 3D printed screws. This, oh my goodness, I don't know what this, it's got a USB jack. What in the heck? Okay, well, there's obviously notes. I don't know what this is. Oh, and there, wow, okay. Hello, Joel, high five. My name is Christian, or Chris for short, and I am not a man of much words, so this letter will be short. I'm a big fan of you and your videos. The videos of you and some others that are well known got me into 3D printing 7 months ago. I wanted to thank you for the advice you gave me on Twitter. In the envelope are 2 €5 bills. One is for the kids and one is for the postal fee for the envelope. I hope this arrives before you give the money to the hospital. Well, as we know, it did not, but it's going to be going to the hospital at the end of this year. Absolutely. I think it'd be cool if you could upload a few time-lapse videos. I vote for the G-Max. I'm going to do my best. Page 2 is the explanation of the mysterious box that was printed on my CR10 and Dremel printers. I designed it myself, and I know the quality isn't great. Quality's great. Don't kid yourself. I hope my English was not that bad. It is not bad. I wish you and the family a happy Christmas and a happy New Year with with best regards. Chris, okay. Please test it off camera before you show it on camera. Oops, sorry. Well, here we go. Explanation of the mystery box. This is an MP3 player which you can use as a soundboard. The top 3 buttons are play and pause, previous is a short push, volume down is a long push. The other buttons, short press, one-time play, long press, loop. You need a micro USB charger with an output of at least, okay, a smartphone charger. Second, you need an active stereo speaker. Oh, okay, the speakers, if nothing did go wrong with the transport. Okay, the SD card files for the manual, they're MP3 files, okay. I don't have any, I have headphones and I don't have any power over here. All right, I went and found a battery pack. I know these aren't active speakers, but here's the microphone right here. So we'll put it right here. I should be able to hear it too. So let's hit play.
Hey, it's Joel, the 3D printing nerd.
Okay.
Hey, it's Joel, the 3D printing nerd, and it's time, once again, for Fan Mail Friday.
Wow, this is just, okay, 7. Oh, this is gonna save my life.
Hi, my name is Riley, and I'm gonna show you how to fix a broken print. Ready? Go.
Just like before, I've got my handy dandy Swiss Army knife.
Oh, but I got a new knife now, let's see.
Sugar-free Red Bull, which is what I love to drink.
Oh, this is insane. Holy cow. And you include an envelope. Okay, so the envelope, the money, well, let's take care of this. Oh, this is so cool. I can't believe it works. First things first, let's get this in the box. Christian, you get a sticker. The next one is this box. This is from, it says Maintenance Solutions. And it says to me on the side, it says it's from Anderson, South Carolina. Anderson. Giant sticker number 1, the Flash Floor Pail Kit. Okay, Flash Floor. Giant sticker number 2. That looks fun. Okay. Sticker. There's Hi Joel. There's a little toy gun, and there's money. Wow. It's like a tiny little 3D printed gun. Tiny little 3D printed gun. Okay. Good. Okay. First of all, thanks for creating such an enjoyable and watchable channel. One day, a friend of mine sent me a link to a couple of your videos. He did this because I was in the middle of researching what 3D printer to buy. I quickly found your videos to be both educational and entertaining to watch. My 3D printing started with a CR10, then I tried a CraftBot Plus, and I just ordered a Prusa i3 Mark III. I think my favorite thing about you and your channel is the HIGHFIVE. For the last 15 years, I've been telling people that it's coming back. No joke, it is coming back. I'd stick my hand up for a HIGHFIVE and people would look at me like I was a 12-year-old kid. I'd look back at them and say, you know it's coming back. Never be too cool for a HIGHFIVE. You, my friend, are doing good work in bringing back the super cousin to the handshake. It's not just athletes or young people, it's for the average Joel too. Like what I did there, I do. I also think it's a very cool thing that you're doing for the kids and raising funds for them and Children's Hospital. So from me and my small family company, I've included this letter, 5 $20 American bills, or known as $100 US cash. What? 20, 46, whoa, look at, holy cow. I hope that this helps kick your 2018 fundraising off to a good start. Oh, it has. Lastly, I've included a couple of company stickers. I heard you dig stickers, and one of my first prints that I did on my CR10. The print is also from my first 3D model I did in Fusion 360. I'd never modeled anything before, so I hope it meets your standards. If anyone is interested, you can find the file on Thingiverse. Just search for 2591657. For me and my people here at flashfloor.net, Happy New Year and HIGHFIVE. Your friend, Drew B. Wow, Drew B. This is, all right, so look at this. Restore your floor with Flash Floor. These are some cool stickers for the company. And while I hate company promotion through Fan Mail Friday because it's fan appreciation, you sent me $100 for the kids. Here, I'm showing your logo on YouTube. Absolutely. Wow, well, all right, let's get them in there. $100, it's crazy. I mean, thank you so very much. It's incredible. Get in there, come on. And last one. All right, Drew. Thanks for that gift to the children. I wish you the best of luck with your company in 2018, and you, sir, you get 2 stickers. Last one. It's gonna be this envelope right here. This is from an Aaron. Oh boy, that didn't go very well. All right, Mr. Knife. To Joel, HIGHFIVE. It's an envelope in an envelope. Inception. Envelopeception, there we go. It's a tongue twister late at night. Ooh, there's a $5 bill right there. This is from Aaron. Dear Joel, HIGHFIVE, my name is Aaron. I just got a Prusa i3 for Christmas. I'm new to 3D printing world and was looking for some help. No, not just me, but for everyone who is on your channel. I was hoping you could make a video of starting out, how to get started making nicer prints, and some of the settings we need to know more about in Cura. I can add that to my list. That's a great idea. Most of my prints have been bad, and I've been changing settings and can't seem to get them to look very good. I was hoping you could do a tutorial on getting started and some tips you use to get where you are today. In this package, there are a couple of my prints that might help you see what I'm doing wrong and could give me a hand. Each part is numbered to help you tell what happened while printing. I've also attached $5 for the donation you have going on. Let's see, all prints are in 1.75 PLA, printing at the speed of 20 to 30, travel at 70, 80. Okay, well, let's take a look. Let's look at, see what you sent over. It looks like you aren't sticking to the bed very well. You may, and the lines look pretty far apart. You may want to check your Z height. Looks like this was going to be a phone case, and again, it looks like it peeled up. You may want to check your Z height. You might want to get a little bit closer to the bed so that the filament is sticking down. And also, you may want to try joining some of the 3D printing Facebook groups. I know Tom over at Thomas Sandlatterer has a forum with some helpful people in there as well. Instead of waiting for me to do something or sending me a note, there's lots of resources available on the internet, and they'll probably give you some good ideas as well. But for now, I would recommend getting things to stick to the build plate a little bit better and reducing the Z height a bit. That'd be my first inclination. Well, you did send $5. Let's give that to the kids. First things first. All right, well, we're almost through, but that's not it. There's little bits left over, and the video is right here where you can see that. It's right here. Right here. It's right here. It's this video. It's this video right here. Just click it. Just click it, and you'll see these packages open. Just click it. Click it. Click it. Click it.